Why the ATM business? Why now? And why you? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I help people just like you to start and grow a profitable ATM business that'll bring you consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Now, why would you want consistent passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames? Well, it's going to be different for everybody, but a lot of folks want to quit their jobs, they want to supplement their retirement, or this is their retirement. They're tired of putting out huge sums of money to get a decent return on their investment, and they'd rather put out smaller sums of money to get a decent return on their investment. And there's some folks out there that actually have never put their money to work for them really. Like they're just have them socked away in savings account or CDs, right? And they finally want to put their money really hard to work for them, right? And then there's some people that want to create generational wealth. They want to build a legacy for their children and grandchildren and great-grandchildren. And then you know what? There's people out there that probably don't fit any of those categories, and it's for something else, right? So it could be different for you, and you might check off several boxes. But whatever the reason is, if you're interested in starting a profitable ATM business that'll provide you with consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames, and you'd like me to help you, I invite you to go to atmtrainingvideo.com, or better yet, just click the link in the description. Do me a favor right now while you're thinking about it, click that little ATM in the corner, or it might be there. I don't know which corner it's in, but click that little ATM, subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification, select always, so every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. And don't forget to give me some likes in this video, okay? So, first of all, elephant in the room, I know I have a big white mark on my head, okay? All right, I get it, I know it. I play pickleball a lot, and I wear a headband, and clearly I haven't been using lotion. All right, so I get that. Elephant in the room, now out in the open, okay? I just had to put that out there. I didn't want anything like, why is there a head white? What the heck? And I don't know if you can tell, but I got like raccoon eyes because I wear sunglasses too. All right, so why the ATM business? Honestly, it's an easy business to start, right? It's a simple concept. Yes, it's a simple concept. Honestly, most businesses, it's a simple concept. Right? Most businesses that we can possibly think of are simple concepts. ATM business is no different, right? You buy an ATM, okay, you put cash in it, you make it available to people, right? Whether it's at a business or at an event, you charge people a surcharge fee for them to take money out. Simple concept, right? You get paid, right? You get the money back they took out and you get the surcharge. Right? So if they took out $20 from your ATM, you get that $20 back, plus you get the surcharge fee they paid you. Simple concept, right? ATM business isn't going anywhere, right? Cash is not going anywhere anytime soon. Okay, stop listening to the people telling you the sky is falling. It's not, all right? The ATM business is going to be around a really long time. It's going to be around our lifetimes, our kids' lifetimes, probably our kids' lifetimes, maybe in our kids' lifetimes, right? Because the ATM business is all about cash, right? I know the crypto people, Bitcoin people, I know they all want you to think cash is going away tomorrow, but it's not, okay? But beyond like our kids and grandkids and great-grandkids, you know, if something happens then, who cares, right? Because we've already created all this wealth and all this knowledge and information that we can share with our kids and grandkids and great-grandkids and so on and so forth, that they will use that money to figure things out where it doesn't even matter that ATMs and cash might not exist in 100 years. You get what I'm saying? All right? So the ATM business is a great business. Why now? Why not? Why not? Right? What are you waiting for? Are you waiting for 100 years from now? I hope not, because you ain't going to be here, okay? Right? You know, you should have started the ATM business yesterday if you haven't started it yet, okay? Yesterday should have been the day you started. A year ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago should have been when you started it, but you didn't. So the next best time to start the business is now. Okay? Because you're not going to get consistent passive income from ATMs, big chunks of cash from ATMs, if you don't start an ATM business. You got to start it now, right? Now is as good as day as any. Okay? Right now, right this second. Say, okay, I'm ready to start this, all right? But why you, okay? Why you? Like, why do you want to start an ATM business? Okay? I'm assuming it's because one of two things. One of two things. Let's use this. You either need more money or you need more time, right? So the problem that you're experiencing in your life right now is you feel you either need more money or you feel you need more time, or maybe both, right? It might even be both. I'm not sure. Could be both. I'll tell you, for me, the reason I started my ATM business, in the very beginning, the reason I started my business was because I wanted more money, right? You know, people would say, you got to think of your why. You got to think of like this big purpose of why you're going to start this business. Well, no, I just want more freaking money, right? I want more freaking money so I don't have to work at a job. That's why I want to start an ATM business, okay? That was my initial reason in the beginning. Then, as time moved on, I had to develop that why, right? Because just wanting money from the ATM business wasn't going to get me up in the morning anymore. You know what I'm saying? But in the beginning, it's okay to just want to start an ATM business because you need more money or you want more money, okay? And it's okay to start an ATM business because you need more time. Like, honestly, that should be everybody's goal. More time that you're in charge of and nobody else is. But it's hard to get this without this, right? So, why you is because you need more money, you need more time, okay? Here's the thing. You think these are your problems. You might think that's your problem. You might think that's your problem, okay? It's not. Hear me out here, okay? You needing more money is not the problem. The real problem is you need to get more money faster. You need to get more money faster than you currently do. Right? Let's say you make $5,000 a month. So that's $60,000 a year, right? So you make $60,000 a year, and you're like, God, I need more money. This is crazy. $5,000 a month is nuts. But what if you made $5,000 in 5.5 hours? What if you made $5,000 in a day? $5,000 in a weekend? Huh? Right? So more money is not the problem. The real problem is you need more money faster. Right? Again, same thing with time. We all get the same amount of time in a day, right? I have the same amount of time that you have. Your wife or your husband has the same amount of time that my spouse has, which happens to be my wife, right? We all get the same amount of time. So you don't need more time. You just need to leverage your time better. Leverage, there we go, talking about science again, right? Using leverage, okay? So what am I talking about here, right? So you need to leverage your time better, right? And you don't necessarily need more money, but you need more money faster, right? What did I just describe to you guys? Is anybody picking up what I'm throwing down here? I just described more money faster. That's mobile ATMs. Using leverage. That's permanent placement ATMs. Passive income. passive income, big chunks of cash in small time frames, guys. Okay? That's what these two things are. If you need more money, it's not necessarily your problem. You think it's your problem, but it's not. Your real problem is you need money faster. That's where big chunks of cash and small time frames for mobile events come in. You need more time. You think you need more time, but you don't. We all have the same amount of time. It's impossible for you to get more time in a day, okay? You just need to leverage your time better. You do that better by having permanent placement ATMs, which gives you passive income. You see what my shirt says on the back? I make money while I sleep. Would that give you a feeling of leverage? I'm sleeping and making money. Oh, that's huge leverage. Huge leverage, okay? All right? This is why you want to start an ATM business. This is why you want to do it now, right? Because if you're thinking to yourself, all right, let me get a new color, red. So you either want to do one of three things. Maybe you either want to do one of three things, and it's gonna come into one of these three categories, right? You either want to buy something that you can't buy, right? Which is the money aspect. Or you want to go someplace that you can't go. Again, that could be the money aspect or the time aspect, or a combination of both, right? Maybe you don't have vacation time. Maybe you don't have enough money set aside to go to, I'm gonna make it up, let's say Paris, France, whatever it may be, okay? Or maybe there's something you want to do for somebody that you can't do. Maybe you want to fund your kids' college, but you can't possibly do that when you're still paying off your college and you don't have enough money or enough time in the day to make more money, right? So it's one of these three things, or it could be multiple things, right? But if these three things are going on, you're going to say these two things are the problem. But remember, it's not the real problem. The real problem is you need to make the money faster and you need to leverage your time. If you're not making money fast and you're not leveraging your time, that is precisely why now is the time for you to start an ATM business. Right? See, I'm using levers. I told you I'm going to use a lot more science now, guys, okay? Because I figured out that science explains all this stuff, right? So I hope this is making sense to you guys. I hope this is clear. If it wasn't, you got any questions, just post them below, okay? Post your question below, or if you have ideas for future videos, post them below, all right? If you would like me to help you start an ATM business, a profitable ATM business for you, that'll provide you with consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames, right? Then you can go to atmtrainingvideo.com, or again, better yet, just click the link in the description and then enter your email. On the next page, after you enter your email, watch that training video. Super important you watch that training video, okay? After you watch that video, there's going to be an opportunity to click on a link to apply. You got to fill out an application, and you got to set up a call with my team. Okay, if we're fit for one another, boom, I'll be more than happy to help you. All right, so atmtrainingvideo.com, click the link in the description. Please give me some thumbs up on this video. Also, don't forget to click the ATM. I don't know which corner it is. Click that little ATM, subscribe to this channel, click the bell notification, select always, so every time I post a video, you're first to know about it, all right? Again, thumbs up for this video. And again, if you got any questions, post them below. Ideas for future videos, post them below, okay? You need my help, atmtrainingvideo.com, all right? I will talk to you soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income.